Welcome back to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Rachel. This is Blake. This is where you come to get your pop-up questions answered. Also tips, tricks, hacks, mods, all that good stuff about pop-up camping. Today's question is,
can a one person set up a pop-up camper by themselves? I know I could. Could you do it by yourself?
I can definitely do it by myself. Now, I will say it depends on the camper. And there's some, if you're a single person looking for a pop-up camper, I would make sure that you can do it yourself before you buy it, only because, like, specifically with this camper, it is really hard to get our shepherd's hooks in. Like, it takes a second person to give it a little oomph. Other than that, though, I pull the slide out by myself. I can pull the beds out by myself. I put the rails in. I do pretty much can do everything. Now, obviously, it's faster. We tag team a bunch of stuff, but if I actually have done it by myself for a girls' weekend that we did a year or two ago. And that was fun. That actually was a different camper. Anyhow, yes, you can do it yourself. So if you're single, especially, maybe look out for steps that you think might be hard. If you think it's hard to crank up, maybe you want to go for an auto lift. Yes, they have automatic lift. You can just press a button. I do see older people saying that they're getting sick of the pop-up because the harder setup. Maybe you're not good at pulling beds, or if you have like some kind of disability or something like that, you might not be able to pull the beds out. But your general able-bodied person should be able to do it by themselves.
Yep. Definitely agree with that. So, yes, you can. And go ahead and be adventurous. If you're single, get yourself a pop-up camper and get out there and do some hiking and exploring. And you probably could bring a friend along.
Oh, yeah, bring a friend.
And make it easier. Just make sure they take their time when pulling out the beds and putting them back in so they don't tear your canvas. That would be no good. Until next time, happy camping.
Happy camping.